faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new freezing day here in France. No babe, say good morning to Delaveaus.
Good morning guys.
You guys, it's freezing here today, just like that. I can't tell you guys that I'm sending you nice weather today because I would be lying through my teeth. It's cold outside.
9 degrees.
9 degrees. That's cold for us, okay?
Fahrenheit Celsius.
Yeah. You guys, we are on the road today. Well, just for a little bit. We're doing supermarket run. And yes, I'm going to supermarket with Babe today. Babe not feeling so good. He had my call. He have my call.
I have
I'm
some things
better.
that keep it for me. When she have something,
Me dash it on God. Because now I'm almost better. You guys only got probably like one really sick day of me, and now I'm like, it didn't happen. He got it and he's keeping it. And Tyler is okay to Tyler is at school. But Babe, oh my gosh, I can't believe it's the same cold I had Babe have right now, because he's so like he's dying. His eyes running, his nose running, he's just a mess. Babe don't handle sick right, sick well at all. It doesn't matter how small of a little cold it is, he doesn't handle it well. Look at him. Not good at all, he said. You guys, look at my hair. You guys haven't seen my hair like this like in a long time. I washed my hair this morning and it's wet right now, so you guys seen curls and all. Yeah, let me show you the queen. Say hi. Say hi. Say cuckoo. You're playing with, who is that? Everest. She played with Paw Patrol. Say hello to the faves. Sarah. Hey cuckoo. Blow them kisses. Mwah. Mwah. No? Nothing? Anyway, you guys, we are on the road right now. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Enjoy the rest of today's vlog, and if it's the first time, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up, and don't skip them ads. When you see those ads pop up, don't skip them, okay? If they're long, like 10 minutes or so, just watch like a minute or two, okay? And then you can skip it. Anyway, you guys, have a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated. We're in these streets. Seen you all day. Wow, Mario.
What's up, boy, little boy? You get A's today? You get A's today? Only A's?
Yes.
Right.
No beat.
No we?
And you got
Me?
A's?
Me? I got sick.
No, you got F's, some big F's. No? Just saying, you sick is only F, it can't be A's.
What do you want me to do tomorrow?
Okay, your real note is, you know what?
Gwe, me say.
You know what?
No.
Like you're sick and you are crazy every time you do supermarket. Is that as a minus?
The back hurt you
I'm
to
gonna
come.
take away your teeth that way.
Anyway, you guys, we got back from the supermarket haul for a while now.
Minus.
Asylum speaking. And as you guys can see, the terror is home. Terror number 2 is home. So we're gonna do the supermarket haul. Let's see what we got. No surprises because I went.
This one
So,
first.
surprises for Tyler.
Peach!
What points Papa get to buy a peach?
F minus. F minus.
No, not a F minus this time. This time I love peach. So you know what you get? It's so good. The peach, you know what you get?
A plus plus plus.
No, not A3 plus. A4 plus.
I like that
I
one.
wish I could zoom up his face so you guys could see his little expression. Alright, let's go. Tyler, what's this?
Cookie!
Cookie. Oh, you starting by the good bag.
That's the bag Tyler chose to start by.
What is that, Tyler? Some donuts and some cereal bar. So why is the cereal bar open?
Because I eat one.
Yeah.
You know,
Mama.
she's like the
Mama.
person in the store.
Mama.
Like, she buying things and she
Mama.
open it right
Mama.
inside the
Mama.
store. She can't stop.
Mama.
doing that.
Yes, Ty.
B minus.
Yes.
B minus.
What is
What
that?
did I
Tyler?
do to get B minus?
You eat the cereal bar, you
Guess
get a
what?
B
You
minus.
give me a B minus. This is mine.
Who buys that one?
It's mine.
It's Papa together.
So
What is that,
what
Tyler? I
was
don't
you?
know what is that.
A4
You
plus.
got the popcorn. You got popcorn
Correct.
that
This
you
is mine.
Oh, is rice cereal.
So why it looks like popcorn?
Because it's made with corn and grain.
Alright, let's see what else do we have. Yeah. Oh, you're starting at the same as me.
No, it's because I didn't see the other one.
Follow for sure.
Mama,
Follow for
Mama, it's super small that you know what?
Look what I get you.
You get,
I get
you are, Mama, you're the worst note of all of them.
I'm
You
the worst
get an F minus.
I'm the worst
And
one.
Papa, A, not even 4 plus, 5 plus.
Why you say I'm the worst one?
Because it's super small that you don't
But
see
look what
super
I got
small.
for you.
With me? That counts a D.
This is what
This
Mama
counts a
gets you.
D.
Yes.
This is what Mama gets you.
Oh,
These are
that
us.
is
It's not for you, it's for me.
no
What is that? You don't even know what it is.
rice cake.
No.
Yes.
No.
It is rice cake.
Go.
You don't see the rice cake.
Okay, we have the apple compote puree.
You
whatever
guys, this
you
is
call it.
bread without flour. It's made with
Hold on, you doing a flour cleanse too?
Hmm?
You doing a?
I'm not doing a cleanse. I'm just trying to stop myself from snacking Tyler snacks. You guys, for the next 40 days, I am trying to prevent myself from having sugar, nothing with sugar, and little salt. No flour, no rice, no bread.
Mama is crazy.
Babe say I'm crazy. So I asked babe, you coming on these 40 days with me? Babe say who?
Mama,
Babe say me.
Mama, I'm gonna tell you a secret in your ear.
Alright guys, what else do we have here?
That is so good.
So because she want to be in the 40 days, whatever she call it,
You get that
You know what he said to me? Weird. He tell me in my ears, Mama, like how you doing this? No salt, no sugar, no flour, no bread. You get an F minus.
so guys,
You're not telling the peeps. You're not telling the face what we got.
what we got there?
Mama,
Yes,
Every
guys.
time
Sweet
you-
potato.
every time you pick up
Let's see.
something, I could see
Green beans.
Kiwi, golden kiwi,
Carrot.
Mama. Every
avocado.
time you lift up something, I could see the note for me.
Okay.
Okay.
Tyler, gonna
Lemon.
grade the food.
Look, Tyler.
For Papa,
You have to go faster.
if one
Look what Mama gets.
Brussels sprouts. F minus.
Look what Mama
I
gets.
don't like the Brussels sprouts. Give me the Brussels sprouts.
No, behave yourself. What grade for this one?
You're gonna be
How many you got?
2.
A++.
Good. What's grade for the banana?
The grade for the banana is A++.
And the apple juice.
Apple juice is A1+.
And pumpkin.
Pumpkin is A normal.
And cabbage, look what Mama got. The
Cabbage.
Cabbage is
So Mama get cabbage,
A
Papa
minus.
Papa
Alright,
get
I'll take it.
fries. What you prefer? The fries or the cabbage?
the fries is
You haven't had fries in a long time. Okay, mixed fruits and almond nuts. What's the grade?
mixed fruit is A+3+.
And cucumber. What's the grade?
Cucumber is A3+2.
Look, that's Mama's favorite
Oh, this
color.
is definitely B.
Oh, you give sweet pepper tea?
Yes, sweet pepper B.
And zucchini is what?
What kind of
B minus.
A minus?
what kind of ginger you two?
Ginger
Look,
is
it's giant ginger.
giant.
Ginger, what
If it
grade?
wasn't small, I will say A5+, but like it's big, A minus.
So why you take
Oh, the
two?
salad is
Your grade
it's the worst.
So Mama
The
take
worst
your
of
two.
the
The
salad.
worst is not a word, it's worst.
The worst
How
of
much
the
grade is
salad.
the lettuce?
The lettuce is, I don't like it so much, so you know what? I could see something that it don't even exist. I see minus.
Tell her, look what Papa gets.
You having a headache?
minus.
You having a headache?
Yes.
Because you're talking too loud.
Look what Papa gets. Plus, plus, plus.
No, A,
Great.
not even 5 plus, 10 plus.
And what the egg get?
Great
The egg
juice.
is
Look what Mama. Look what Mama got. Mama got you the almond, and Papa got you the pineapple juice. Who got the better grade?
Almond milk. What grade, Mama?
Where's the Papa? For the pineapple juice
I think I
is
killed you at the
A5
supermarket today.
plus, and for the almond milk,
Stop showing.
A normal.
Alright.
What's the
Yogurt. for
Yogurt.
me. Jeez.
Too much.
Too much?
Yes,
It's
too
for
much.
me. It's for Mama. It's for Mama.
It's too much.
Salmon. What grade for the salmon?
Salmon is A minus. Yogurt is A minus.
We have a lot of yogurt.
Yogurt.
This
Too
house is
much
a yogurt house.
Yogurt.
Yogurt,
And I have no yogurt for me this
Too
time.
much yogurt.
Lies.
What should I have
So,
for me?
so why you don't have no yogurt for you?
So why you just say lies?
No, I'm just asking.
Count.
No, I really don't see any for you. Understand why? What
Ah.
you're trying to prove? Oh, because you have cheesecake. You have a whole cheesecake to eat.
No, I almost done.
Exactly.
No, I just didn't feel for none. So whenever I feel for you, kind of one, I took that.
Okay.
We have steak for Sarah, I'm sure.
What's
Mama,
this time?
did
What's grade this get time? Pizza.
Very good.
And shrimp. Pick the
Pizza
last one.
have and shrimp.
Woo!
I don't like shrimp.
Yours.
B,
So
B,
that
10 plus.
be 10 plus.
Tu as
Yes.
fait ton goûter, tu as fait ton goûter.
Anyway, you guys, that's the end of the supermarket.
Mama,
Ooh.
Mama, can I eat your mini pizza?
When?
Dinner. Dinner.
No,
No
Mama did
time.
something else for dinner.
I did chicken. I
You
used to
know,
do
mini pizza is on
pasta.
Friday.
And you know, pizza day is Fridays.
Friday.
Right?
So what you can ask Friday is also some fries.
What's Sarah? What's Sarah with her brush? You saw her? Brush. Brush, yeah.
But,
Yeah.
Yes.
Brush,
but
yeah.
after, wait,
same thing with you?
Mama, but after the vacation.
When is vacation?
After Friday.
7? 7?
Oui, c'est vrai.
Okay. Anyway, you guys, that's the end of the supermarket haul.
Pieces.
Now I'm gonna go cook dinner.
Pieces.
Pieces.
Say hello to the fave, Sarah. Look.
Bye.
Say hi. Hi. The head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. You guys, I've been in the kitchen cooking. Look at Babe calling Sarah Fabon. And she coming. Look at her. Look at her little head. Gonna peep up. Where is she?
Thank you.
You see her hand? And she gone again. She gone with her bone. Anyway, you guys, I've been in the kitchen. Let me show you guys what I've been up to. So this is what I've been up to. I did some oven roast chicken. Oh, I'm making some tea. This is turmeric, ginger, garlic in this one. And over here I have broccoli, green beans and corn. And then over here I have pasta for the boys. And then, yes, the pasta ready. And then I also make some oats muffin that's going in the oven right now. And I've made this muffin so many times. If you guys ever want to know how to make it, it's on my food channel. Just go and type in oats muffin without flour and sugar. Yes, it's really good. You should try it. I'm definitely gonna have to do some of my hair before bed, or else it's trouble to detangle all this, girl. Now that it's dry.
You look good.
I look good?
Yeah. Your hair look good.
Oh, thank you. You. Why are you looking at me like that?
Should I look at the wall?
Maybe. You guys were coming on to end this vlog with this feisty man.
No, I'm waiting on the wall to tell me why I look at you
Babe,
like this.
can you stop, please? That's why you're coughing, because you get too much damn trouble.
No, because I took the sickness from you, so you.
No.
You should thanks me.
I take care of my own sickness.
You should thanks me.
No,
I took
thank.
your,
There's
I
no
took
S
your
on it.
sickness away
No.
by
Hello, my data
taking
ain't
it
get
from
too
me.
loud. No, I
Which
take care
data?
of my own sickness. You need to take care of yours.
So take it from me.
You
Yeah.
guys, we're coming on to end today's vlog. Hopefully you guys enjoy it.
Yes.
When I go on the road, I feel
She's
like my
funny,
entire
right?
day is done.
She's so funny.
Can I just end the vlog? Can I just end the vlog?
Yeah, I just say you're funny. That's a compliment.
No,
You
I
should
am
say
not.
thank you.
I am not funny
You
at
should
all.
say thank you.
Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys enjoy this video. It wasn't much, but you know, we gotta give you what we got, and that's what we did. If you're new to the channel, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new. This man maybe cannot end the vlog in peace. Look at him looking at me. What you have to say for yourself. Exactly, because you're giving too much trouble.
I'm super nice. I have nothing to say. I'm super nice. I'm fine.
And sick. That's why you're always sick, because you give too much trouble. So you get everything. You get COVID, you get the cold and it now go away, and me get the cold and it just gone. You see, because I'm nice. Is it because you give too much trouble? That's why you're sick, you're cold, not getting better.
I should buy a house in the mountain, and every time you're sick, I just go isolate myself.
So you're not gonna I'll stop you.
I go with Tyler.
Oh, freedom!
Yeah.
Go! I would say go. Shoo.
Yeah.
You think we would say go on? You think me that stop you? Never stop you. What?
Alright guys, her face is no poker face. This is the opposite of poker face. Anyway guys, that was it for today. She's tired. She's about to go to bed soon. So she anyway. Catch up and keep up. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell. to like,
And if you
to
don't get the
comment,
notification, what they to do?
to turn it on back again.
Or go to the channel every day a video is there.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
We'll see you guys tomorrow.
Tomorrow.